ఏబిఎన్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి.
I'm seeing your videos. You're missing Ravi Teja. We're working with. So can you just elaborate on that?
With everyone I've worked on sets with so far, and I think the time is such, it just makes you value or your journey so far and everything else that you've managed to, be a part of. So I think that's what's happening right now.
Okay, so we have a small rapid fire on lockdown because you must be giving so many interviews. So I just thought, okay, we'll do something funny and we can, extract more information from these small questions.
Okay.
So are you ready? It has to be fast, okay?
I'll try. Yeah.
How much you're sleeping nowadays?
Little.
Little.
Very little. Like I almost don't get sleep. I'm trying to keep my sleep cycle in my hands, but sometimes I think it's just subconscious because of I think we're all put in this very unusual atmosphere, right? It's a first for all of us. So maybe subconsciously there are things that are affecting me. I don't know, but
But mostly people sleep
really,
this time.
I think that I can say without doubt.
Snanam, bath regularly? Are you skipping your bath?
Of course, yes. No, I'm very clean like that. I'm very hygienic. That's the first thing I do when I wake up.
Are you eating more?
No, I actually feel like I've lost weight during this lockdown. I was in touch with my, trainer just this morning, and we've compared the before and after, because my workouts and all of that I'm still maintaining right at home, and also that little bit of an ice cream and things like that you would do on a normal day, when you're outside, that obviously has entirely stopped. So I'm eating very healthy and I'm working out, so I'm actually my fittest right now. Which is so sad.
Watching more TV?
Yes. TV, I would say TV, I've been spending more time watching the news, but I've been binge watching a lot more than regular. So I'm on Amazon, Netflix, looking up anything and everything that has, an interesting new release.
And how many movies you have watched till now?
I've seen a couple of web series, one movie, more shows, because that kind of takes a lot of time. With a movie, kind of finishes in like 2.5 hours, and then you don't know what next to do. But I've been picking up on series which I can keep coming back to.
So what do you learn in this lockdown?
I've learned so much. I've learned that we've been living a very fast-paced life so far, and in our ambitions or in our greed of just trying to achieve so much that we've penned down for ourselves, and the things to do that each one of us have, I think we've stopped breathing, and we've stopped resting, and I think that's something that this time has taught me, to be okay and be idle and not have to constantly chase things. That's one. I've learned I can have fun with my family. I mean, I've always known that, but now I think firstly I come from a background which is very creative. There's artists all around me at home. So we've been figuring out ways how to do something different every day and doing it together. So I've realized that spending time at home rather is not just watching TV or having a conversation like the regular stuff. There's so many more things you can do and participate in. So yeah, I think going back to the basics is definitely something that this lockdown has taught me.
ఏబిఎన్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి.